Hi students, we are now discussing question number 8 of paper 1 of physics of JEE Advanced 2022. So in this question, we talk about a situation in which the value of G changes when a projectile is at its highest point. So let's first draw a trajectory assuming that no change in G would have taken place. So in case if no change in G would take place, then in such a scenario, uh, this would be d by 2 and this will also be d by 2 and this would be the highest point of the trajectory. Now, if g has increased, this value is an increased value of g. If g has increased, then what will happen? Uh, the particle will fall short of its original destination. Why? Because g has become stronger. So now the time taken by the particle to fall to this point would be less. So it will get less time to cover the horizontal distance. So let's call this point as A, let's call this point as B, let's call this point as C. Okay. And let the maximum height attained by the particle be denoted by H. Okay. Now, if I write TAB, that is time taken by the particle to travel from A to B, then I should be writing it as root 2h by g dash. Okay, where g dash is the new value of gravity. Okay, and if I denote this horizontal distance by x, then x will be given as u cos theta into TAB. So that should be the value of x. Similarly, if I write the value of TAC, that is the time taken by the particle to travel from A to C, then it would have been root 2h by g, and in that case, d by 2 would have been equal to again u cos theta into TAC. So what I plan to do, I plan to take the ratio of x and d by 2, because when I do that, u cos theta get cancelled, and I simply have to take the ratio of these two times now. When I take the ratio of these two times, again 2h gets cancelled. So what I'm left with is root of g by g prime. Now you substitute the value of g prime here. So that is g divided by 0.81. So 0.81 will go in the numerator. So we will end up getting root of 0.81, which is 0.9. So from here we can write x as d by 2 into 0.9, which is 0.45 times of d. Now the new range d prime, the new entire range d prime will be written as d by 2 plus x. So it becomes 0.5 into d plus 0.45 into d, which now becomes 0.95 into d. When I compare it with the given value, the value of n turns out to be 0.95, which will be the answer to this question. I hope you understood and I hope you like the solution, guys. Take care. Bye bye.